Now let's also have a brief look at how we work with strings. Strings are generally really easy to use. As you learned, you create a string and store it in a variable, for example, by using quotation marks. Either double single quotation marks with your text in between, or double quotation marks with the text in between. Either of the two can be used. You can't combine them though, so you can't open with a double quotation mark and close with a single one, or the other way around. So you have to stay consistent. The advantage of double quotation marks is that there you could also use the single quotation mark as part of the text, like in I'm pretty cool. Whereas for single quotation marks, this will fail. I'm pretty cool. There still is a way around this with single quotation marks too. You can escape that character, and I'll again dive into escaping later in this course, but you can add a backslash in front of the character you want to escape, and now it is accepted, and if you output the string, you see now you just got the single quotation mark and double quotation marks around it. But that are your options, double or single quotation marks. Now if you got a longer text, you also sometimes want to have multi-line text. And you can create multi-line strings by using 3 double quotation marks, opening and closing. And in between, you can add your text, which can also span multiple lines. As you can see here, if I don't close it, but just open it, you can add your text. Then you can continue typing on the next line, which can span multiple lines, and close it with 3 double quotation marks once you're done. And then your longer text is actually inlined, if you output it, with another special character in between for the line breaks. \n marks a line break. But this makes entering it much more convenient since you can really type it across multiple lines too. Now I'll come back to working with strings and escape characters like this later in the course. For now, it's important to know that you can have single or double quotation marks, or for multi-line text, also triple double quotation marks.